Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video will be taking a look on LineageOS, which is treble based ROM, and will also include the installation process at the end of the video. And huge thanks to developer like phhusson who recently updated his post with LineageOS and Resurrection Remix GSI image, which successfully booted on Oneplus 6. So I just thought of giving a try and updating you guys about what all things are working and what all things are not working, and whether it can be used as a daily driver or not. So going inside the settings, system, about phone, and here you can see the software information. Model number, it says treble with Google Apps. Android version is 8.1. LineageOS version is 15.1, which is an unofficial version. Security patch is 5th May 2018 and the build date is 7th June. So I've been using it since yesterday, and the main concern over here is the notch. And here you can see lack of padding in the status bar for rounded corners. Hopefully this will be fixed once we have the GSI image of Android P. Camera on this ROM works pretty much okay. There are no issues in the camera. I faced a little bit of focusing issues when I tap. As you can see, the device is not able to focus properly. Now moving inside the settings, here network and internet, everything is working fine, but you still don't have the Volt services available. Then under display, live display does not work. As you can see, if you enable reading mode also, that doesn't work. And let me turn off or on live display, that also doesn't work on this build. Under style, if you try to change the accent color, the LineageOS setting crashes. Tap to sleep on the status bar works fine, there are no issues in that. Notification LED is also not working on this. There seems to be issues with the notification LED also, but talking about fingerprint sensor is working fine. Under settings, you have all the basic customizations like status bar, gestures, which includes jump to camera, and that has no issues on this build. So after using it for a day, I would recommend you guys not to use it as of now. Just wait for further updates. Once we have the stable update, I'll update you guys about that. But if you guys still want to try, then you can just continue to watch the video. Now moving on to the installation process. To install the treble based ROM on your OnePlus 6, you need to have few files. So these are the files which are required, and your device should be unlocked. Make sure to unlock your device before doing anything. And first, let's go to settings. Let me show you the software information. So I have tested on Oxygen OS 5.1.5, and after that what you need to do is go to build number, tap 7 times, go back, go to developer options and enable advanced reboot. Also enable USB debugging. Then you need 3 files. One is the system file. After that you have a zip file which consists of boot image and the VB meta file. Later you also need to have this platform tool for Windows if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, you need to have platform tools for Mac. Once you have these files, unzip all of them, and inside this file you will find 2 files. That is, one is the boot image and the second one is the VB meta. Then what you need to do is, where you have extracted the platform tool, you need to paste those files over here. So as I have already pasted, this is the first file, second is the system file, and the third one is the boot image. So I have copied all these 3 files and pasted inside the platform tools. Once you are done with that, type CMD in address bar, hit enter. Now you need to boot your device to fast boot mode. And once your device boots into fast boot mode, you can see the device status is unlocked. Now I'll connect my device to PC, and once it is connected, then I'll check whether the device has been connected properly by typing fastboot devices and hit enter. As you can see, the device serial number pops up, which means the device is properly connected in the fast boot mode. So after this, what you have to do is you need to use these commands. As we are aware that we have 2 partitions on our device. On both the partitions you have to flash the boot image and the system image. So now let's start flashing these files. First we'll use the boot image and we'll flash it on the first partition, that is A partition. Paste it here, hit enter. Once it is done, now copy the second command from the description below. All the commands I'll mention in the description below. Copy this from here and paste it in command prompt, hit enter. Now the third command is flashing system image. So this is the main ROM file. First we'll flash it on partition A. And now we'll flash the system image on partition B. Once you have flashed the system image successfully, now comes the main part. From here you need to flash this command. So guys, this is the main command or else your device won't boot up. So copy that command, paste it over here and hit enter. After this is done, just go to your device, select recovery and restart. After your device is in recovery, select language, wipe data, wipe everything. Now hit reboot system. And as you can see, your device boots up. You can ignore this first message, so do not worry about that. Just complete the initial setup and you are good to go. And guys, the image file, the system image file, what we have used over here includes the Google App package, so you don't have to flash the Google App package. Mostly I use all the GSI images which includes Google App package, and if you are trying to flash, I'll mention the link in the description below. You can download from there, and also make sure you download system image which consists both the partition, that is A and B partition, because OnePlus 6 have dual partition A and B, so you guys need to select the same GSI image which have dual partition. So guys, this way you can install any TREBLE ROM on your OnePlus 6. And if you guys have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.